So in today's video, we're gonna be checking out when I rebuilt my last car, which was a Audi A4. I'm gonna throw up a picture of it right now. Yeah, so basically I'm just gonna be explaining this video of what we did and everything. Basically, a few days before turbo blew up on it, I experienced some issues and fault calls. I'll throw up some few videos and pictures right now. So like I said, it was losing power and going into limp mode with that blinking thing. It was blinking always when it went into limp mode, and it would go into limp mode when you drove it on really low gears and started pushing it full throttle. It went into limp mode straight away. So I decided to just park it at home and not drive it. But then a few days later, my parents went out of town, and this is the day that turbo blew. Parents went out of town and I had training to go to, so I had to take my car because there was no car at home. And to training, it ran very good for some reason. It didn't go into limp mode and it ran very good, so I thought it was very weird. So I decided to go get food, which was a dumb idea for me. I went to go get food. The car started acting really weird. It started going into limp mode again and really weird, and it was starting to lose power. Throw up a video. So yeah, I decided to just turn around and go home. But on the way home, the car just lost power entirely. So I had to go into a parking lot, which where I parked my car, and I took some videos of it. As you can see, it's completely dead. Turbo wasn't spooling, it sounded like. So when we got home, we didn't touch it for like a month because I got work and everything, and I didn't want to do it. I was just too lazy. But then we got into it. Let's go. So we didn't think it was the turbo at first, because when we took everything off, the turbo was spinning good. When we tried it with our finger, it wasn't giving any resistance. There was no slack in it. So we thought maybe it was the EGR, and the EGR was stuck, completely stuck, and the EGR cooler was filled with stuff like zit and everything. And I'll throw up a picture of it when we took it off. And basically when we took it off, the one of the balls in the back was completely impossible to get out. It was like it took us an hour to just get out. I don't recommend working on an Audi. It's just horrible. But we ended up getting it off and we replaced that, but it didn't fix it. We thought at first did fix it, but nah. The turbo wasn't spooling, it was doing the same thing. It wasn't going over 2,000 RPMs. And so we decided to change the turbo, and I'm glad we did.
So when I was recording this video, my friend called because he blew a tire. So now I'm on the way to fix it. So that was unlucky, but always gotta help a friend out, you know. So yeah, a little break in the video to watch me help my friend. Everything is packed. We got this one with us. We got the tools. We got a tire and something to pull the tire off with. So yeah, let's go. Oh. Yep, we changed them. Yep. Perfect. Alright, so we changed to winter tires because his tires are gone. They're completely fucked. Or one of his tires. So we changed to winter tires, and let us know in the comments what you think, because we're not too sure about these, but yeah, let us know. And the other side is done. Perfect. Back to the other video. Let's go.
Yeah, and I'll also throw up a video of how the turbo looked inside. Yeah, it's a little blurry, and I'll pause it right in the middle so y'all can see, but when we changed the turbo and got the new turbo, the wastegate on the new turbo, because we bought a renovated turbo from a company that was really good, They sent us a turbo and the wastegate was broken. So we had to order a new wastegate again. I'll throw up the picture of it. And we had to take the turbo, I think it's called turbo cowling off, to fit it. I'll throw up a video again of it. It was a nightmare to get in, but we ended up getting it in, and after that the turbo ran amazing. I'll throw up a few videos how the car sounded afterwards. But we were still getting codes for the particle filter that it was too full. So we ended up buying a new one completely. It cost like $300-400. And yeah, we ended up going on a holiday. We had a holiday plan right then. So we ended up towing my car to my friend's shop because we loosened everything for him. And we didn't want to like make him do everything because we felt bad because he was doing it for free. So we ended up towing my car there because the turbo and particle filter was loose. So yeah, I'll throw up a video again. Turbo loss. And we ended up getting there and dropped it off, draw a picture. And like I said, it ran amazing. The car felt really good afterwards. I had it for multiple months after. I never threw a code again. It ran amazing. And yeah, it was fun, but it was a challenging change of the turbo. But now that I've done it afterwards, it was a good experience. It was fun. Don't recommend it. Audis are horrible to work on, especially the older ones. They just cram so much into the engine bay. It's impossible to work on, but it was fun, and I hope you enjoyed the video, even though there wasn't that many videos and pictures of the rebuild itself. I hopefully enjoyed me explaining it and throwing up a few videos and picture of it, because like I said, I didn't intend this to be a video, but I wanted to get this out to show y'all. And yeah, hopefully enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe and help us reach our goal of 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. And I'll see you guys in the next video, and comment what you want to see. Hopefully you enjoyed. Bye bye.